Okay guys, so I already showed you how to order your Thomas Cook borderless travel card from Blinkit. So I ordered my card from Blinkit and this is the package I received, and I already opened it and hide my details for privacy reasons. So let's see. So this is the package I received. This is the package I received. Okay, and here we have the card. Here we have the card. I opened it already, so I will show you how the card look like. So this is your card number, borderless travel card, branch code, it you have given, and then you have this some leaflet. You get one free ATM withdrawal, emergency cash assistance, insurance, free card replacement, surcharge free withdrawal, 24/7 call support, and these are the benefits. This is the term and condition leaflet. Okay, so here, okay, sorry, my card is in this. So this is the card. I hide my details, card details, for privacy reasons. Okay, so this card looks very pretty, funky look. This has, okay, so now in the next video I will show you how to activate this card, okay, in the Thomas Cook app. That in order to activate, you have to download the TC Pay app, Thomas Cook Pay app. So I will show you how to do it. Okay, so let's meet in the next video.